everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, today's look is going to be an Egyptian inspired makeup look slash collab. My girl Dolly Roman here on YouTube has been doing Halloween collab series all month, and this is the last look that she picked. So me, her, and a couple of other ladies decided to get together and create our own Egyptian inspired look. So this is the look that I created, and I'm going to be 100% with you guys. I really don't like this look. It didn't come out exactly how I expected, but of course you cannot always expect that to happen. But overall, I mean, it still came out pretty decent. I just think it could have came out a little bit better. But hey, practice makes perfect. But anywho, I will be sure to link everybody's video down below in the description box, as well as all the products that I used to create this look. I just recorded my eyes and my lips. I did not record foundation or any of that. So be sure to check the description box so you guys will know exactly what I used. But anywho, if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below how you feel about this look and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video.